how to buy KOLScan token. So before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following their updates about this token. So to be able to buy this token is available on the screener. And if you don't have an account on the screener, just go and create one. As you can see, this token is under the base network. Now to be able to buy it, just go and click here to copy the token address. Now go and open your wallet. For this I will use Bitget wallet. Now after that, select the base as a network from here. Now click on plus icon and paste the token address here. After that, click on it or click on plus icon from here. Now you need to go back to your wallet and find this token. Now after you find it, as you can see, click on it and now click on swap here. Now click on switch to be able to select the token that you want to buy with, for example USDC, and make sure you have enough USDT on your wallet. Now type here how much you want to buy. With a few seconds, as you can see, this is how much you receive that token. After that, it's simple, just click on buy and you will be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy the KOLScan token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.